Wait, where are the cars? In most cities, traffic rules the streets. But here, it's almost silent. Welcome to Erlangen, a city that pedals to perfection.
It's early morning in Erlangen, and this is rush hour. Calm, clean, and effortless. No engines, no honking, just movement. Here, the bicycle isn't a trend, it's a way of life. Pace and mood is easy.
If you're enjoying this video, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you'll never miss the next slow stop travel.
This is what daily life looks like in Erlangen. Every street feels balanced. Fast cyclists, families, students, all moving with the same rhythm. It's not about speed, it's about flow. Notice how everyone shares the same rhythm. Next, we'll see how this bike-first mindset shapes daily life, to work, to schools.
Erlangen's 18th century design turned out to be perfect for modern cycling. Compact, walkable, and green. Instead of redesigning for cars, Erlangen leaned into its strengths. People first planning. This is human scale design, centuries ahead of its time. Even the past was built for the future. And that balance of old and new carries through every corner, especially where locals gather.
By mid-morning, Erlangen hums with a different energy. The clink of cups replaces car horns. When slowing down, it's time for a hot cup of coffee and a sweet pastry. Conversation and reflection is the highlight of this stop. McDonald's is one great stop and place where locals like to hang out. Even errands feel effortless. Bassett click onto handlebars and life just flows. You don't have to ask why people bike here. The answer is everywhere. It made me wonder, what could we learn about visiting Erlangen?
Erlangen feels like proof that cities don't need to be loud to be alive. Imagine your morning commute without stress, streets safe for children, air that smells like bread, not exhaust. We came here with a camera and left with perspective. Sometimes slowing down doesn't just change how you travel, it changes how you think. Maybe we've been designing cities backwards all along.
Here, no cars needed isn't a phrase. It's proof that travel can still feel human. This is what travel should feel like. Light, free, and full of life. The future might already be rolling past us.
Thank you for joining us on this slow stop. Tap subscribe and let's ride to the next one.